Everyone, how's going there? Welcome back to my channel and my name is Sujal, and in this video I'll tell you about the huge discount on buying Apple MacBook M1 chip. Okay, so in this video I'll tell you every single thing and I would try to make you understand about how or what exactly a discount is and how you can avail discount and stuff like that. Okay, so before moving ahead, please do hit the like button and pop to the subscribe button so that I get motivated to make such more awesome contents for you all. So without any further ado, let's get started. As a student, what we generally look before buying a laptop, that we can do easily video editing, coding, graphic designing, Photoshop, Blender, like everything. Okay, and we know that we can do all of these things in a budget laptop as well. But when you look for a powerful one or a gaming laptop, then what we have to do is just we have to increase our budget, right? So and the budget goes up to around 70k or 75k like this. Okay, if I say ki you will get more powerful than Windows, which you are investing 70k or 75k, then what comes in your mind? First one is Apple MacBook, or the second one is building and setup. Okay, so here I'm not talking about the building and setup. Setup is something different. So here I'm talking about the laptop. Okay, the first laptop that comes in your mind is Apple MacBook, right? So you might can think that why should not increase budget of 5k or to 10k to get more powerful than Windows, right? So this laptop has it for you and you can do pretty much everything, and the performance is super crazy, the productivity came super crazy. That's the big thing about Apple MacBook Air M1 chip. So Apple MacBook M1 is the best laptop that you can buy as a college student. So let's talk about the price. So if you can buy this laptop from an Apple store, then you will get this one is for rupees 93,000. Okay, but if you will use your college email ID, then you will be getting 10,000 rupees discount, flat discount, and or it just for rupees 83,000. Okay, and recently they have a huge offer in which if you can buy MacBook Air M1 or any other MacBook, then you will be getting free AIRPODS as well, which is about rupees 10,000. Now let's talk about that why we should choose this laptop, Apple MacBook M1. Okay, so now for many of you 70k or 75k is a huge amount. I agree. Okay, I agree with you all. But think about this like that you will be using this laptop for your next 4 years. Okay, in your college. Okay, this precious time is for you to exploring new things and learning bunch of things, practicing bunch of things, and you don't want there to be any bar or any chunk, right? So that's why I think it's a worthwhile to spend 5k or 8k over the budget. Try to get a great laptop that will be with you for a long time. Let's talk about the battery life of MacBook M1. Okay, the battery is super crazy. It will never disappoint you. Or when you compare it with a budget gaming laptop like 70k or 75k, then this laptop is super higher than all of those laptops. Okay, and we can't compare with this laptop with gaming laptop because gaming laptop थोड़े हेवी होते हैं और आई नो कि वो थोड़ा ज़्यादा पावर कंज्यूम करते हैं, तो उनका बैटरी लाइफ ज़्यादा वैसे होता भी नहीं है, क्योंकि अराउंड वो बैटरी लाइफ अराउंड 2 आवर्स और 3 आवर्स, ज़्यादा से अगर ज़्यादा देते तो 3 आवर्स, उससे ज़्यादा आई डोंट थिंक कि देते भी होंगे. ठीक है, बिकॉज आई हैव गेमिंग लैपटॉप that is Acer Nitro 5. If you guys wanna see the unboxing video of my gaming laptop, the link is in the description. Okay, yes, the battery life is super duper crazy of this MacBook M1. Okay, now let's talk about the performance. So M1 chip is just an amazing, it works like beast, and if you see the rendering speed or any other work, then you will be fan of it, literally. And in this price segment you will be not getting this performance like this laptop. Okay, so you can consider this laptop if you have your budget of up to 84,000. Okay, lastly talk about the conclusion. So the conclusion would basically, if you have budget then go for it, because इसके टक्कर का लैपटॉप मिलना काफ़ी मुश्किल है. And the last date of the discount offer is 27 September, and you can use your college ID to avail discount. Okay, this is for today's video. I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you guys enjoy this video, please do hit the like button and bombard to the subscribe button so that I get motivated to make more awesome contents for you all. And as you can see my Instagram handle, go and follow me there and comment down below whether this video is helpful for you or not, and how many of you are going to get or to avail this discount for you. Okay, so bye bye, stay motivated and peace out.